I'm changing this to line, so line get drawn. I'm changing the circle getting drawn. Let's begin for making it using a combo box. So go to the toolbox and then in the common controls, the next control you can find after the checklist box is a combo box. And here for this combo box, you can just increase this width and go here properties, add the collection of controls, so line and circle. So this line and circle we have added in this collection, and also change the font properties from here. So here we have to give some default text as a none. For this combo box, we have the event as a selection index change. So based on the selection index change, we'll be calling this invalidate method. Whatever the code which we have written for this checklist box, we have to make for combo box. So here for this shape, as of now it's by default we are using this empty string. We can assign this combo box one dot selected item. So this selected item dot to string. So whenever we will be changing the item from this combo box, so that selected item will get assigned to this shape. We don't need this for each loop, so we'll be removing this for each loop from here, and we have this shape available now, and from based on this shape we'll be changing this logic. So in the switch case, whenever this is a line, it will draw this one, and whenever this is a circle, it will draw the circle like this. And now we can remove this checklist box from here and events related to it. And one more thing we have to do here as a null handling condition: if combo box selected item not equal to null, then only this logic should execute. I'm changing this to line, so line get drawn. I'm changing the circle getting drawn.